Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix a Roblox Memory Dump Error. I'll explain why this usually happens as well. Usually happens when Roblox runs out of usable memory or crashes during gameplay due to RAM issues, cache. So I'll show you an example. So here's my task manager. The way you open this up, you just right click here on your Windows icon, open up task manager, okay? And then you come here to memory. So we're using 54%. Sometimes when you have Roblox open, depending on the game. So if I click here on performance, you'll see how much RAM my PC actually has. It's 16 gigabytes. So if it's using most of the RAM, okay, the memory, then you will have that issue. So you want to open up the task manager and you want to close any process that you're not using. So you just click on this, for example, Steam, you want to close this, click on it, click on End Task. That will effectively close Steam. And what you can also do is just go ahead and update your graphics driver. So you right click here on your Windows, logo, the icon, and then come here, click on a device manager. Then what I want you to do after this, once that loads up, I want you to just come here, click on display adapters, find your graphics card, right click on it, click on update drivers, okay? Then click on search automatically for updated driver software. If you find any updated drivers for updates, go ahead and install the updates. That should help you out as well. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.